Hello and welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Phantom Wallet airdrop. Okay, an airdrop that is going to be launching on Phantom Wallet called the Monad Airdrop. As at the time of creating this video, information has been flying around that this very airdrop has secured 222 million in seed fundings. Okay, they have positioned themselves as an airdrop that is about to launch on Phantom Wallet. And if you've been on Phantom Wallet for some time now, for those who have been on Phantom Wallet, you can testify that airdrops here are real. Now I want to move away from Telegram and introducing something new to you guys. Okay, not that I'm not going to be introducing Telegram airdrops, but it's going to be a mix. Okay, so what you're going to be learning in today's video is how to download or update your Phantom Wallet app, right? How to create your username and how to follow someone and also get followed. Okay, so that is what we're going to be talking about in today's videos, because the requirement of this airdrop is to update your app if you already have the app and create your username. After creating your username, you gain followers. Okay, so this is what we're going to be learning in today's video. So to update your app right now, for those of us who already have the app, all you have to do is to head over to Play Store. Just open up your Play Store, click the search bar and search for Phantom Wallet. Okay, just hit that and you can see right here it says update. Now if you don't have this very Phantom Wallet app on your phone, you can go ahead right here and install this very wallet. Okay, but if you have it on your phone already, all you have to do is to click on this update button right now and your update should begin in no time. So once it's done updating, all you have to do is to click on the open button. Okay, we're just going to wait for this to appear right now. So once it appears, just click on open and this should automatically redirect you to your Phantom Wallet app. So I'm just going to fix my fingerprint right here, and right now the first thing we're meant to do is to create our username. Okay, after you have installed or updated this app, okay, now you can create your username right here. But if for some reason you clicked on this X button right here and X'd out of this, all you have to do is to come over to this very place that says account. Just click on it and then you go ahead and click on this gear icon right here at the top. Okay, just click on that gear icon, and once you click on the gear icon, you come over to this very place that says create your username. Okay, just click on create your username right now and you're going to see this quick animation. Just wait for this to round up and you can see right now it says create username, a unique identity as unique as your wallet. You just go ahead right now, you can read all this for yourself. You just go ahead right now and click on continue. So you can see right here it says create your username, right? Your unique name for your Phantom account. So your username is just like your nickname and you don't have to add the symbol at. You don't have to do that. Just go ahead and type in a username right there. So I'm just going to type in Dan Pat real quick and you can see this username is already taken. So I'm just going to type in danpat01. Okay, so this is the username I'm going to be using right now. So what you have to do right now is to go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so this is my username right now. So once you head over to the search right there, make sure you search for danpat01. So we have the emoji section and the collectibles. Now what you want to do is to click on collectibles and choose an emoji of your choice right here. I'm just going to select this key. Okay, now this is something that would appear on the icon of your username. Okay, you can see it right here. So when you search for danpat01, it's actually 01 and not 01. Okay, we're used to saying 01. Okay, so once you search for danpat01, you're going to see this very icon to confirm it is me. Okay, don't go and follow someone that has the name danpat. Okay, make sure you look at it very well. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on this purple save button and you can see anonymous authentication. Okay, I have successfully created this account right now and I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Say link your wallet. Choose the wallet that shows up on the other device with your user name. I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue right now. So whichever token that is sent to me as a collectible will be sent to your username, which will send to this address. Is going to click on create username right now, and this is it, guys. We should be done with our username creation process. So your username created, danpat01. You can now use your new username in all your Phantom wallets. So I'm just going to click on done. Okay, and you can see at the top right there I have successfully created my username. Okay, so what do we do next right now? What you have to do next is to hit the search bar, okay, to follow me. right, to follow me. Once you head over to Phantom Wallet and you create your username, you want to follow me by clicking on this search bar, and then you go ahead and search for Dan Part 01, right? So this is how you search for it right here, and then hit the search bar. Okay, I actually made a mistake. What you need to do is to include the @ symbol, so you have to put Dan Part 01, okay? And then you see right here, guys, as you can see, currently I have 0 followers. So to follow me, you just have to click on this, and then you should see a follow somewhere around this, right? This is how you follow me. Okay, so you should see a follow somewhere around this, and then you go ahead and follow me straight up. And once I see that you have followed me, of course I'll follow you immediately. All right, so in the coming days I'm going to do a video on how to see people that follow you. I currently have 0 followers, so I'm not able to do that right now, but in the coming days I'm going to do a video now to see people that followed you and how to follow them back. But if you want to see people that follow you, of course you have to come over to the account section at the top, then you go ahead and click on your profile to view your profile, okay? Or you just go ahead and click on the gear icon and click on your username, and you see people that have followed you somewhere around here, right? But one important thing you need to also make sure you have right here is the privacy. Okay, make sure the privacy is set to public. Very important. This is just to ensure that you're visible to everyone, and that when people search for you, they get to see you. Now, if you search for my username and you don't see it, just try again later. They are still working on this stuff, so it's not really perfect at the moment. So this is it, guys. The key is in creating your username and building your followers. And when this airdrop finally launches on Phantom Wallet, you'll be one of those who will benefit from this. But first, like I said, you have to create your username and of course build as much followers as you can. Also make sure that your app is updated to the latest version, and you'll be good to go. So this is basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like. If you have any question, drop it in the comments and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification for future videos like this. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.